Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Omshi Arts VIP. I hope that one time lapse is going well, and as all you seen the thumbnail, do you know which language I speak? Yeah. So I had a plan that let me introduce myself in each topic of every my art video. So as the last one, my face reveal, and the next one now, which language I speak. So usually I speak Telugu, and I am from Andhra Pradesh. So I speak Telugu. My mother tongue is Telugu. So I hope it is clear. And the time lapse is the art of Ram Charan, a Telugu actor. As all you know, his upcoming movie Triple R. So please watch till last and let me know on my next videos should be a tutorials of a beginners. Please comment me and let me know it should be a tutorials or any actor to a time lapse. Please let me know in the comments. Watch till and check out the artwork. And you guys can DM me on my Instagram for any inquiries of art or for any commission works. You can just DM me on my Instagram. ID link will be given in the below description. Please follow and message me for any inquiries or any commission works. And now nothing else, just enjoy the time lapse video.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Yeah, I hope all you liked my time lapse video. Please like, comment, and share to every fan of Ram Charan. Thank you so much.